Good morning, friends. It's Nick Lind at Commencement Bay Brokers. It's Monday, March 13th. This is our value-added video. We're going to talk about the real estate market. We're going to share with you some stats that show where the market is and potentially where it may be heading. And I want to say, before we get going, happy birthday to my dad. Dad, I hope that you have a great day. Hey guys, market stats. Today, we're going to talk about what is actually happening. Most of our conversations with clients, when we talk to them, they are assumptive based on some of the headlines that they're seeing. And most of the thought lines kind of go somewhere along the lines of, hey, the market is down. I don't really want to sell right now. I really don't want to buy right now because the interest rates are high. These are the conversations that we're having. Supply and demand is what helps our clients that are selling their house get top dollar. And some of these stats that we're going to share with you show how little supply there really is. The demand is not quite as great as it was a year ago when the rates were really, really low. But the demand is actually still there. We're actually having a hard time keeping our listings on the market. So if you're a seller, this is a good time to really perk up a little bit. There's not much available, which means that it's a great opportunity to sell. In general, the number of sales in the market is down. Sales overall in the MLS are down about 17% from last year. Last year was like a record year for the number of sales. So the number of sales this year is probably going to be lower, which means that we need your help. If you know somebody who's going to move, this is really important for us that we get connected with them because it's going to be a little bit of a tougher year for sales in general. The median sales price. Now, this is something to lock in on. I've talked to quite a few clients who are assumptive, I should say prospective clients who are assumptive that the market is down. Well, the reality is the market is down by about 1% from where it was last year, which is not very significant. The average sales price is only down 1.7% at the end of February from where they were at the end of February 2022. I think the reality is after February through March and April last year, the market really kind of ran. Prices went up a little bit, and we've come back down from that point. But where we've settled out is about where we were with our home values a year ago, which means your house is still worth top dollar and there's not much inventory. In fact, when we're looking at inventory, it's very similar to what we saw pre-COVID. And in Pierce County, in fact, we're beginning to sell out of our inventory. More homes are selling than are coming on the market. There are only 1.37 months of inventory available. So if you're looking from a perspective standpoint, we talk about this a lot. We consider 4 to 6 months a balanced market. There's currently 1.3 months of inventory on the market, and that is down from where we were a month ago. So we're selling out of our inventory. If you're thinking of selling a house, this is actually a great time to do it. Now, if you're thinking of buying a house, here's a little perspective for you. The inventory we have right now in Pierce County is actually 3 times the inventory that we had a year ago. So you have 3 times as many opportunities if you're looking as a buyer. So it's going to feel like there are more homes available if you're a buyer than there were a year ago. But generally speaking, there are not very many homes available in the big picture, which means it's a great selling opportunity. Guys, I hope these stats help you make informed decisions. If you have questions about real estate or the market, please link up with us. We'd love to take great care of you. See ya.